What's up, YouTube? I'm here on NQ. Today is April 17th, and my bias today is definitely bullish. As you can see, this orange line right here is all-time highs, and we are very close to all-time highs. And even though price is pretty high up and we're pretty high up in premium, I would still only long at all-time highs. So yeah, I'm not going to be looking for any short setups today, and it's looking like we just got a liquidity sweep right here inside of this fair value gap, but market still has yet to open, so I'm going to wait for that, and I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so here's New York open right here, this 830 candle. We left a nice 830 wick, and we did have an inverse to the downside right here on the 3 minute. As you can see, we had this nice V shape. So price could actually come down a little bit here, but I don't expect it to go down like too much because all-time highs is right here above it. So we're probably gonna get a nice reaction back to the upside soon. And this 830 wick's gonna be a nice target for that. Okay, so after market open, we formed this 30-second gap right here, and I didn't think it looked too good. I saw it in live time, but I didn't really think it looked too good. But as you can see, it's starting to play out now, and we came up to this 830 wick. We formed like triple equal highs up here, and now price is just rejecting from it. And the 830 wick is inside of this 2 minute bearish gap, and every time we enter this gap, we just get choppy, as you can see. So maybe price can dump a little bit, take out this low inside of a fair value gap on the 5 minute, and we could get a nice V shape back up to that 830 wick and all-time highs, but we'll just have to see. Okay, so right here we have a setup that just played out. 830 wick got taken out, and I didn't take it because I just thought it looked a little weird. Price trading back into this chop right here. As you can see, ES took out this low, and then we formed this nice 1 minute. And yeah, I didn't take it because I just thought it looked a little weird, but if we're gonna go to all-time highs, we have other gaps I could take, like this 5 minute right here. And yeah, we'll just see what price does, and hopefully this wasn't the move of the day right here. Okay, so this 1 minute setup down here would have been break even, but price is starting to push up now. We're getting some nice momentum, and it's looking like we might inverse this 5 minute gap here. Okay, so price is looking a little slow, so we inversed these two bearish gaps right here, as you can see, but we still have another gap right above those two other gaps that broke. So I'm not going to enter in yet. I'm just going to wait for price to break all three of them at the same time. And the close on those two gaps wasn't that good. As you can see, this candle close wasn't good at all. It barely even inversed them. So, okay, so I'm in right here on this 5 minute. As you can see, we broke it with some pretty nice momentum. Okay, so I'm going to set the break even right here. And as you can see, I have my stop loss beneath these two gaps right here, just so I have a better risk to reward. Because if I put my stop loss beneath all three gaps, it wouldn't be a 1-to-1. So yeah, if price closes beneath these two gaps, I'm gonna stop out. Okay, so price just hit our break-even point. So when we get back down to my entry, I'm gonna exit at break-even. I'm gonna do it manually because, well, if you've seen my video yesterday, you would understand why. Okay, so we had this massive candle down right here, and I for sure thought I was gonna get stopped out at break even, but then we had a good candle up right after it, so the hopes of hitting TP are still alive. Okay, so I'm here sitting in the middle of this trade, and I'm wondering why we're stalling so much at all-time highs. But then I looked at my chart and realized today was OPEX, the third Friday. I seen Dodgy mention it on social media, and I'm like, oh crap, I didn't even notice it. So instead of going for full TP, I should have probably just went for a 1-to-1 because that's usually what OPEX gives you. And I honestly don't even trade that much on OPEX. So if we get back up to 1-to-1, I'm just gonna take full TP there, but as you can see, we hit 1-to-1 so many times, we might not even go back up. But as you can see, I moved my take profit right here. Okay, there we go. So 1-to-1 just hit right there. As you can see, I exited right there. And I still think that all-time highs are gonna hit right here, but probably it's just gonna be very delayed because of OPEX. There we go. My trade is done for the day. Let me see how much that was. $222, so that's pretty good. And yeah, I usually don't even trade on OPEX. I think it was February, I got absolutely rinsed on OPEX. So yeah, I usually try to avoiding trading on OPEX, but today was decent, I guess. But yeah, it's gonna be it for me today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.